Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel Master Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. So let's get started. In the video of today, I will show you how to edit and write in PDF file with your mobile only, with no need to any computer. So let's get started. The first thing, you just need go and open like Google and write PDF editor and go to this website sejda.com. I will leave the link to the website in the video description. After opening the website, click on upload PDF file and choose a file from your phone. I will just look for a file. Documents here, for example, PDF. And as you can see here, you can see the document that you uploaded, and you can edit this file like you want. For example, I want to write on the document. I choose the first option and came here and start typing. For example, I write test. You can for sure like take control of what you write. You can choose like how big is your writing. You can change the color, you can change everything. You can do whatever you want with it, as you see here. Like you can change the color to another color, to red or to any other color, and do whatever you want with it. You can also add a link from here to your document. You can add also pictures or signatures to your document. You can do whatever you want with the document, and there is a lot of other options that you can choose from them to edit your PDF file. And of course, after you complete, you just need to click on apply changes, and after that you can download your document, and that's it. Now you have your document edited with only your mobile phone without the use of the desktop. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.